Managing more than one business? Here's how to switch between them and review each business's data in Quick Hub. From the Quick Hub dashboard, scroll to review your overview cards and charts. Then go to Quick Reviews and open the Dashboard tab to see high-level review insights. Next, click Reviews to browse individual customer reviews. Open Metrics to dive into trends and performance over time. Now, let's switch businesses. Click your business name and select New Business arrow, Select Business. With the new business active, check Metrics again. The charts automatically update to reflect this business. Open Reviews to see the latest feedback and return to the dashboard to confirm the overview reflects the selected business, and that's it. Use the Business Switcher to move between brands and review each one's dashboard, reviews, and metrics, all in one place.